Hey, Nathan Wabi here with Music Apps for All, and today I want to show you how to use the Improviser app. I'll click it, it'll open up right here. I can use my mouse to play these notes. I can also use a touch screen so I can play both towers at the same time, or I can use my computer key bindings to also play both towers at the same time. Like that. If you want to see what are these computer key bindings, I can press this icon right up here. It'll show them to me. I can switch over to my note side, and instead of seeing my computer keyboard, I now see it as the notes I'm playing. Something like that. If I want to know exactly what notes and chords I'm playing, I can hit the goggles, and the goggles will show me the names of these notes and these chords. I can switch into any of the keys. This becomes quite a lot of fun, and it doesn't matter what key I'm in. They're all going to play exactly the same. They're just going to sound in the appropriate key. I can also switch to different scales. This scale right here is the major scale, but I could choose a minor scale. I can choose any of my modes. Let me switch over to a harmonic minor scale. The harmonic minor scale. Oh, it's so exciting. Just jump into this scale and to be able to play it. I notice though that my chords will change as I go to the different modes because different modes have different cadences. If I go, for example, to the Phrygian, instead of going from a 1 to a 5, I go from a minor 1 to a flat second. And this becomes a major cadence in the Phrygian mode. I can do this with all of my different scales, and I can get to know them a lot better as I experiment and improvise. Now, as for sounds, I have 5 different sounds. Just like this. I can mix and match. So. Yeah, something like that right there. Now, you'll notice with my sounds, there's some strange names. I have sin, triangle, square, and sawtooth. These are the 4 cornerstones of sound waves, and that's why they have their names like they do. I also have a 5th sound called voice. This is a composite of several of those sounds mixed together to create something as close as I could to a voice sound. So, I don't know how much of a voice that is. Now, let's move on to the other features. I have sharps and flats. To be able to do this on my computer keyboard, let me open up my key binding so I can show you. It's going to be the minus button or the equal plus button on our computer keyboard right next to the 0. So if I press, for example, my equal sign, you can sort of see how that works, or the flat sign as well. I always need to press the sign before I press the note in order to get it to play sharp or flat like this. I can see it as well right here using my computer key bindings to be able to do this. I can press it with a touch screen as well and change my notes this way. I also have another feature called playing it an octave higher. If I press here, this will allow me to make all of my note sounds 1 octave higher. I can do this on my touch by simply pressing it. It's like a toggle that turns on and off. Or on my computer, I can use the shift key to quickly jump, or I can use my cap lock key to hold it there. And this too only affects the note side, so your chords are going to be the same. So these are the features of the Improviser app, and hopefully you can get in here and make a lot of crazy music. Have a great day.